New arrival, clean Carfax history report, low miles, popular color, priced below market average, purchase with confidence from A. Factory authorized new car dealership with A+ rating from BBB New Rochelle Chevrolet, absolutely committed to you.